Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to check my GitHub Copilot quota. So in this example, your GitHub Copilot quota. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, first we will use the web browser. So if we go here to the GitHub official website there, and you will log in into your dashboard here in GitHub, what you're going to do is head over here to the top right corner where you see profile picture and then go to the settings. After that, in the left menu here, search for access. So we have it, search for billing and licensing, and then access, billing and licensing, and then you will see here AI usage, or you will see here some Copilot. You can also check here Copilot, but yeah, as you can see, we don't have any usage here. Uh, at the bottom here, you have settings for Copilot, so don't worry for that. Okay, now this is the first option. We have also the straight one directly in Visual Studio Code. So what we can do here is at the very bottom right hand edge of your VC Code status bar, locate this GitHub Copilot status icon, which is like robot frog head. And yeah, hover your mouse over the icon, small tooltip pop-up will display your current quota usage percentage. So if you right click it, you can see here what everything is enabled here. But yeah, if you click on this frog, you see here credits. So we have 6.8 used out of 200. And inline suggestion, we have 0 of 2000. Then you have some settings here, which you can check out what it's enabled and what it's disabled. And yeah, what will happen if you hit the limit? This will just pause until your monthly cycle naturally resets. But if you use Pro or Enterprise plan, you can toggle on additional usage. And yeah, you will have this $0.01 per AI credit consumed. And yeah, this is basically it, but I think you will not use a bunch of it. So yeah, you can always upgrade it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the